Samsung is getting ready to drop its next flagship series, the Galaxy S25, and it's got the tech world buzzing. Before the official reveal, the Galaxy S25 has already made an appearance on India's Bureau of Indian Standards certification site, and that's got everyone even more hyped. This follows the recent sightings of the Galaxy S25 Ultra and S25 Plus on the same BS database, which is only adding to the excitement. From what we're hearing, the standard Galaxy S25 has been spotted with the model number SM931B/DS, an upgrade from the Galaxy S23's SM921B/DS. This likely means the S25 will be the most compact option in the lineup, probably the entry-level model, but that doesn't mean it's short on features. Early rumors hint at a sleeker design, improved performance, and overall a solid upgrade over its predecessor. It's shaping up to be a go-to device for anyone looking for a high-quality smartphone. As for the big reveal, the Galaxy S25 series is expected to debut at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event, likely sometime in the second half of January 2024. That's right in line with Samsung's usual pattern of launching Galaxy S series phones early in the year, kicking off the new year with a bang. When it comes to performance, all three models, the Standard, Plus, and Ultra, are rumored to feature the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This new chip is expected to be a powerhouse, delivering faster speeds, better energy efficiency, and next-level AI capabilities, making the S25 series a tempting choice for anyone who loves high-end performance. Other rumors include 25 watts fast charging, so you can juice up your phone on the go, and a stunning 6.2-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. On the camera front, it's expected to pack a triple camera setup with wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, giving you plenty of options for capturing great shots. And for multitaskers, the S25 might come with 12 gigs of RAM, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Of course, these details are all based on leaks and rumors, so take them with a pinch of salt until Samsung officially spills the beans. But with the launch just around the corner, it's looking like the S25 series is going to be another game changer. So, what do you think? Are you excited for the Galaxy S25 lineup? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.